Hello guys, hello brethren. How you guys doing? It's your boy David B, and it's your boy Good Life. You can call me David B or you can call me Good Life, guys. Guys, last week was a banger, guys. If you are not following me on this channel, you need to follow me because last week was a banger. We killed gold, we killed S&P 500, and we killed US 30. Right now we are on zero trades. I've closed like almost all positions running right now, guys. I've closed like almost all positions running. Let's check out gold. I took a gold trade last week with you guys and I shared it on my channel. I shared this trade on my channel, guys. I shared this trade. I couldn't wait for it to get to this point, so I took my profits around there. Yep, that was where I took my profit. So I couldn't wait for gold to like get to our second TP. So I took my profits around there, guys. If you are trading gold as a beginner, guys, let me give you a little heads up. If you are trading gold as a beginner, guys, take in consideration two things. Now, when you are trading gold, you want to also trade a US stock, either S&P 500, NAS 100 or US 30. Why? Because you can use them for correlations. What I mean is when gold buys, the stock starts dropping. When the stock starts increasing, gold drops. Yeah. So like I say it again. When gold starts buying, US stock starts dropping. And when US stock starts increasing, gold starts dropping. Yes, guys. So what did I see on gold that I took this trade? Little recap. I saw this double bottom, guys. I saw that price came in this retracement, but did not break this low. So price was still bullish. So I saw this double bottom. And guys, boom. I waited for a break of level. Remember, we use two confluence counter trend line and we use a break of structure. So we saw the counter trend line break with this candle, but I wanted a good break of structure and we had this. But at then, before I could enter this trade, price already came down here, so I entered this trade around there, and boom, there you have it. Yeah, this is a big trade for us. This is like a 3:4 trade, guys. A 3:4 trade. This is like a 1:4 trade, guys. This is like a 1:4 trade, guys. Yep. So I'm here. Sorry, before I go on, let me greet my guys. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are, from wherever you're watching, any part of the country, from wherever you're watching. So now, guys, I am back again with a banger for you guys on BTC, guys. Let me currently clear this. I'll be dropping BTC analysis for the week, guys. BTC analysis for the week, guys. So remember, we go to the monthly time frame and we use the monthly time frame for the overall direction. Let me currently clear my chart and show you guys what I saw on BTC, guys. The monthly time frame is telling us that BTC is its overall direction is bullish, guys. Its overall direction of BTC is bullish, guys. So since we have gotten that clear, we scale down to the weekly time frame and then we see if we can identify key level structures, guys. Okay, that's, you can call it support and resistance, or you can call it zones, guys. I call it levels. And then I prefer keeping my support and resistance levels at candle close. Like now you can see that at this level, price rejected 1, 2, and price had a multiple rejection around here, guys. Price had a multiple rejection around here, guys. So now we go to the daily time frame to see clearly what is really happening around that area. Now we can see, obviously, here we can see that price is bullish around there. 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 But now there's a little bit of a problem. Yeah, let me show you guys what I saw on this trade, guys. Remember, guys, I posted a trade signal on BTC before. I told you guys that if BTC breaks this counter trend line and then break our level, breaks this counter trend line and then break our level, which is this level, we are going for a buy, guys. Yes, I told you guys that in some analysis few weeks or few days ago, and price came around there and broke with this candle, broke the counter trend line and broke the level with this candle, and I entered the trade and price pushed up a bit and came back and hit me for break even. So there was no loss and there was little profit gain on that one. But guys, I am here to give you guys an insight on what is happening on BTC, guys. Shockingly, guys, I am still on a buy trade on BTC, guys. I'm still on a buy trade on BTC, guys. Because why am I still on a buy trade on BTC, guys? I give you guys my reasons for everything, guys. Now you can clearly see that price created this lower low, lower high. Price created this temporary lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price created lower low, and price came back and broke massively above, creating what they call a higher high. And what price is currently doing now on BTC, price has just created a higher low and price is going for a higher high. That's to this level. So that's what I can currently see on BTC. We have price creating lower low, lower high, lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Price pushed out and created a higher high and came back for a lower low. And guys, I am currently on this trade right now. Yep, I'm currently on this trade right now because I saw that price broke our counter trend line. Yep, price broke our counter trend line. Price broke our counter trend line with this level and price created a double bottom, guys. Similar to what gold did, guys. Price came here, rejected, came here, rejected, came here, rejected. Price created what they call in this higher low. Price created a double top here and then came back to create a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. And price could not further break below this previous low to create a new lower low, but price came back, stalled around there, pushed back up, came back again and broke out bullish with this bullish candle. So guys, this temporary retracement is already over, guys. So on BTC, guys, I am sending out a buy signal on BTC, guys. Remember to trade responsibly and then risk little of your trading account, not much, little, guys. So this is how the entry is. This is from here to here is a 1:1. Yeah, this is a 1:1, but that will be, we won't be taking from this area is going to be our first TP, and this area is going to be our second TP. Yep, that's for it on BTC, guys. So I am currently on a buy trade on BTC. Why am I not on a sell trade on BTC? Now let's scale down to the daily time frame. Let me explain why I'm not on a sell trade on BTC. And if you are on a sell trade on BTC, guys, you need to change that bias. Except you are like working on the lower time frames. Yeah. Now, if I wanted to sell BTC, I would have waited for price to come and break below here. Or I waited for price to come and break below here. Why? Why is because once price breaks below here, the overall direction of this move is changed. Like I can see price is currently bullish around there. So we have this push, a higher high, higher low, higher high again, a higher low, a higher high, higher low. Price pushed above, came back, but could not break this previous low. Rather created a massive rejection around here. If you go to the weekly time frame, you observe that, and then push back up. So if price was to change this overall direction, this overall uptrend, I'll wait for price to break below here, and then I'll wait for a retest also. Let me clear this. My chart is looking messy. Let me clear this. I'll wait for price to do what? To break below here. Price to break below, give us a retest, and there you have it. We push it back down. But BTC does not look as if it's going to do that, because if you scale down, if you look closely, price didn't come back to break below here, but rather price created multiple rejections around here. If you go back to the 4 hours time frame, you clearly see that price created multiple rejections around there, a double bottom around there, and now price has broken with this massive candlestick. So now our two confirmations have been triggered, right? we have a break of the counter trend line which happened with this candle, and then we have break of structure which happens with this candle. So guys, on BTC we are on a buy, guys. Good Life is on a buy on BTC, guys. We are on a buy on BTC, guys. So there you have it. So now let's scale down to US30. Let's see what US30 is currently doing. Let's see what US30 is currently doing. Now you can clearly see that we don't really have much, but we don't really have much to see on US30. We don't really have much to see on US30. We don't really have much to see on US30. We just kindly wait on our hands. Okay, let me shift this to the side. We'll kindly wait on our hands and expect US30 to break above this counter trend line. Not just breaking above this counter trend line, but break with this candle here, this area. Break this counter trend line and also break this level. Yep. If we want to go on a buy again on US30, yes, you heard it from Good Life first. If you want to go on a buy, this is the 4 hours time frame. We can see that the overall direction right now, after this temporary downtrend, price is now pulling up. Price is pushing up, yes, and price is currently in an uptrend, guys. Remember, guys, you buy low and sell high, guys. So now we'll be waiting for our 2 confirmations to be triggered on US30 by price breaking this counter trend line and also breaking this level. If not, we won't do anything. So guys, I guess I basically have just BTC for you guys. If you know you don't believe me, guys, you can see that gold was massive for us last week. Gold was so massive for us last week, and now this is BTC trade, guys.